the beginning of its existence in 1984 until today are the following. Father Jose Gilberto OSA, Father Bernardino Rico Fernandez OSA, Father Melchor Rico OSA, Father Richard Pino OSA, Father Jerome Messina OSA, and Father Andres Rivera OSA. The province of Santo Lucia today is running